Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start implementing chatbots with ManyChat detailed guide step by step clearly. To start implementing chatbots with ManyChat, first create a ManyChat account. Go to the ManyChat website. Click on the Get Started Free button. You'll need to choose your Facebook account for integration. Once connected, select the Facebook page you want to use with ManyChat. Next, proceed to the ManyChat dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the Growth Tools tab. Select the type of growth tool you want to create. For a basic chatbot, choose Messenger Ref URL. Give your growth tool a name. Customize the message that users will receive when they click the link. Next, click on Save. Now navigate to the Automation tab. Click on Sequences to create a new sequence. Name your sequence for easy identification. Add a new message to your sequence. Write engaging content that will encourage interaction. Include quick replies or buttons for user responses. After finishing the message, set the timing for when it will be sent. Click on Save to confirm your sequence setup. Now return to the dashboard to create a broadcast. Select the Broadcast tab. Click on New Broadcast to start crafting your message. Choose the audience you want to reach. Add a compelling message to capture attention. Schedule your broadcast or send it immediately. Click Send to distribute your message to users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.